You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm Czar. Today we are going to show you how to use the incremental zoom on the Zoom Q8 camera. So this camera does not have a smooth zoom like the Zoom Q4 or any other standard camcorder for that matter. What it does have is an incremental zoom, so it can zoom up to 5 times, but it's a stage setting. So we're at setting 5, that's 0.75. So now we push it again, we're at 0.85. Push it again, we're at 1. Push it again, we're at 1.3. Push it again, we're at 1.5. And also now in reverse. So you can see that there isn't a whole lot of zoom capability there in this Q8. Although it shoots in super high def, it's all about placement for this camera. As far as you're going to place it and then set it and zoom in on your subject and then get your audio correct, and then you're good to go. But like I said, there's no auto zoom or slow zoom or anything like that. It's an incremental thing, so you want to set it on your subject and then go ahead and record. So we just wanted to quickly show you that's one issue with the Q8, in that it doesn't have a smooth zoom like the Zoom Q4. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Please tell me what you think about the Q8 below. And if you'd like to know anything else about the camera, please let me know. Thanks a lot for watching.